Hello. Now we are going to solve today second program. Second program is like this. Write a program to enter a letter. Change the case of the input letter and display the new letter and its ASCII code. If you have entered small b, then your output will be capital B and ASCII value of capital B is 66. So now we supposed to first understand the question. Question is given whatever letter you are going to enter. In which case, if you have entered in capital letter, then it should be converted into small letter. If you have entered in small letter, it's supposed to be converted into capital letter, and afterwards it will be print that letter along with its ASCII value. So how we are going to solve this program, we will see. Now we will solve the program. First we supposed to enter a character. For that I have just taken class check and public static void main. After that I have create an object of scanner class. Then I declare two variable and both are character. Why both are character? Because one character I am going to enter and another character I am going to convert this character and I will store over here. And then system out println enter a character, and I have entered the character ch is equal to in dot next dot caret 0. After I have entered a character, then what it is asked? It is asked if your character is in smaller case, then you have to convert it into uppercase. If it is in uppercase, then you have to convert it into smaller case. So first of all I am going to check this, is the character is in smaller case or uppercase. So if here I will write character dot is uppercase, which character? ch is equal to true. Even I told you that time, if you are not writing true, then also it is okay, it will be give you true value is there. So if character dot is uppercase, ch is equal to true, then what it is going to be done? ch1 is equal to, in ch1, that is the second variable, I am going to convert this ch and I will store. So what it will be? The functions character dot to lowercase, character dot to lowercase, which one? ch is going to be converted into lowercase and it is going to be stored over here. If character dot is uppercase ch, then if it is true, then in ch1 what will be stored? 2 lowercase. With this function I am going to convert this character from capital letter to small letter. After converting that I am going to print. So I will write system dot out dot println and I will give the message letter is what? Letter is ch1. And after conversion, then next one is system dot out dot println, and next one is its ASCII value is how to find out ASCII value? ASCII value I can find out with explicit conversion. Int, which one I am going to write in explicit conversion? ch1. Int of ch1, that means whatever the character is there, its ASCII value will be going to be printed. If I will write int, that means for that character what is the integer value that is going to be printed. So this one is a example of explicit conversion. This one will be over here, but there is a else part also. What is in else part? In else part I can write another condition. If my character dot is lowercase, that means my character is in lowercase, then what will be done. If it is true, then what can be done? It will be just converted ch1 is equal to character dot to uppercase, okay, ch. And now system dot out dot println later is what? Plus ch1, where my lowercase value was already converted into uppercase, and it will be print that uppercase later. And in second line I can write, and this one is also in bracket, system dot out dot print ln ASCII value is what? ASCII value is plus int ch1. So this is your next. After this, if it is not a lowercase value, it is not a uppercase value. If it is not a lowercase value, that means whatever is entered, that will be not good, not valid for my program, this program at least. So I am going to print system dot out dot print ln. If it is not an alphabet, then I will write system dot out dot print ln. It is not a character, valid character, so I will write it is invalid character. It is invalid character. Okay, it is invalid character. So now it is over. So here in this program, what we have done, just we have entered a character, and after that we are going to check that it is in uppercase. If it is uppercase, then converted it to lowercase, and then that lowercase character will be printed, and its ASCII value with explicit conversion I can print that. And then next one is lowercase. If it is in lowercase, then convert this one with uppercase later with two uppercase function, and then system out println later is ch1, and system out println ASCII value is int ch1. So it will be print the lowercase character ASCII value. And if this later which one I have entered, that is neither in uppercase not in lowercase, that means that one is not a alphabet. So it will be write that invalid character. It is invalid character. So I hope these two programs are clear to you. And next video I will give two more programs. Then character functions library classes will be over. I will start with string, and till that day wait for my video. Bye bye.